Hi there, Scorpio. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lynda, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into those energies and influences that are coming through for your weekend reading, October 4th to the 6th of 2019. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is a condensed general reading. Please only take the portions that resonate with you. Okay, Scorpio, off camera to save time, I've done a protective blessing. I've meditated over and shuffled these cards just for you. Your first card, it's the general atmosphere. It's the background and the basis of the matter. The Six of Cups, Scorpio, water energy. This also represents someone's sun in Scorpio, so this is you. Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. This is happy memories, being nostalgic. It's looking back. It's a time to be open for nurturing. You could give a gift or receive a gift. This is emotional conversations. They could be connected to your past, and it'll shed light on your future. It's treating new people with kindness, because you can brighten the day of another with small gestures. And become childlike again, and resolve bad childhood experiences by returning to a childlike openness and joy. And take an opportunity as it presents itself to cast off old feelings and fulfill important wishes. This is a past life soulmate connection, can trigger an unmistakable bond. It's like a karmic attraction. This can be a helpful person, a blooming spiritual experience, a meeting with an old friend or an old lover. It's something with roots in the past that may be reconsidered, and that past efforts may bring present or future rewards. It's love and harmony and enjoying safety and security. It's a soul connection. It's being playful and spontaneous, protective, shielded, someone being pampered. Your second card. It's the energy that's crossing over your path. The Eight of Wands, Scorpio, fire energy. This is a card of movement. It's the end of delay. It can be messages coming in. This is someone's Mercury in Sagittarius. This is action. It's a sudden burst of energy. It's a rapid and swift development with a conclusion. It's also being in love. This card highlights and intensifies all around it. This is Cupid's arrows. There could be infatuation involved. This is continuing your plans and moving more rapidly towards a goal. It's renewed activity. It can be messages. It's being lively and motivated, making your move, acting quickly, sending or receiving messages or proposals. It's a card of traveling, oftentimes air travel. It's multitasking and pursuing multiple interests. The Six of Cups with the Eight of Wands. This is travel to meet old friends. Your third card, and this is how it affects you. This can be your attitude. The Six of Wands, Scorpio, more fire energy. This is a card of victory and receiving accolades. You've come through a lot. You've come through strife, and you've met the challenges to your work or your reputation, and you've come out with flying colors, and this is victory. You've overcome the opposition, and your past self-doubt is being resolved, and you're in the process of winning some big battles, and you can expect to succeed and have your desires gratified. This is success in love life. You're adored by your partner. Another card of gifts may be received. This is praise and recognition. It's promotion and progress. You've worked hard and you deserve these pats on the back. But beware of pride. It's okay to take pride in your ability to lead and inspire others. But just try to receive the acclaim and admiration graciously. Just beware of conceit. And remember to give gratitude to all those that supported you to get there, because others do look to you for guidance. So responsible and ethical action is required. This could be working on projects that bring you recognition. Your fourth card, it's the position of the future. It's the outcome, the results, and the advice. The Eight of Pentacles, Scorpio, more earth energy here. There's 2 6s in your reading. I believe that means 2 6s represents a little irritability. Feeling a little irritated, are you? Eight of Pentacles. This is someone's sun in Virgo. Could be a cross watcher or someone you know. This is a symbol for striving for self-perfection. It's working steadily. It's getting closer to your goal. You're working on a trade or a profession. It can be a profitable undertaking, employment, or commission. It's skill in material affairs, handiwork, and the arts. Sometimes remaining in the apprenticeship stage. This is someone being meticulous, steadfast, industrious, and they're disciplined. They're being methodical and proud of their work, precise and detail-oriented. Could be perfecting a skill or taking classes or even doing homework, attending to deal and craftsmanship, doing something repetitively, improving yourself or repairing something. You're finding satisfaction in your work and things are evolving nicely. You're being your own benchmark and you're doing it yourself. The Six of Cups with the Eight of Pentacles, this can be a previous job connection. Maybe someone that you knew before gets you a job, or something that you did in the past with a job. And now your fifth card, it's the bottom of the deck card, the underlying issue. This is what's unseen. Number 3 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the Empress. This can be a Libra or a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. Its ruling planet is Venus, the card of love. This is material abundance and fertility. Fruitfulness. Could be a mother or someone mother-like. She represents their productive and generative activities in the subconscious. This is an omen for success, a symbol of hope. It's a very powerful energy. It can represent material wealth and marriage and fertility for would-be parents or farmers or people in the creative arts. It's love through compassion and nurturing and an opening to pleasure and beauty in abundance. It's passion and sensual involvement with the world, a time of sexual desire and enjoyment of life. This can also represent a person's mother or someone showing a motherly concern for another. It has to do with natural growth. It can be health improvement. This is the female authority card. This is someone that never questions any of their decisions that she makes. There's strong female energy at work here. This is a creative force that works for harmony. She brings things that are separate back together again and reconciles differences. The Six of Cups with the Empress. This is people that are wanting to look after each other. Someone that may be overly sentimental or even reclusive. The Six of Wands with the Eight of Pentacles. This could be a new job with a swift advancement. Six of Wands with the Empress. This is winning over a new love. Or one of the partners that are already together, they get more attention than the other one does. There could be ego-involved issues. The Eight of Pentacles with the Empress. This can represent home renovations. And the Eight of Wands with the Eight of Pentacles. This is learning and working with new technology. Your advice from the Oracle deck. Ask Your Guides by Sonia Choquette. Scorpio, you've got card number 34, Deprivation, from your Prosperity Guides. Deprivation. Withholding, paranoia, stinginess, and frugality. Whether because of a sudden change of circumstances or long-held patterns of lack, you may be finding yourself feeling overly concerned about your finances and security right now. You might be worrying that there won't be enough to meet your needs, so you're trying to conserve every penny. Your fears may even cause you to unconsciously seek others to reassure you or guarantee your needs in some way. The trouble with allowing these fears to take over is that your insecurity will be felt by others, and they will step back, fearful of being used for your security, creating a cycle of even more deprivation. This circle of fear and lack dries up the well of prosperity even further. Happily, your prosperity guides are here to help you reverse this vibration. They inform you that hoarding or withholding in any way goes against the divine flow of the universe, and it's the opposite of what is called for to create prosperity. The universal laws of prosperity state that we receive what we give. The universe does not lack. Lack only exists in our minds. The true source of poverty is an indication that we've disconnected from our divine source, which causes low self-esteem. This is the true source of lack in any area of life, whether it's money, comfort, or security, or even love. To get back into the flow of things, your prosperity guides urge you to reconnect to the source by being generous in all ways. Any stingy tendencies, even with yourself, only keep you cut off from the divine supply. Reclaim your self-esteem by recognizing that you're a trust fund baby of the universe, and your needs will be met easily if you open your heart to receiving the universe's gifts. Connect to this flow by sharing what you can: a smile, a compliment, your assistance, your time. Your prosperity guide's message: tap into the abundance of the universe by sharing your heart. Thanks, you guys, Scorpio. I hope you stay tuned in and leave me a comment or a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Now remember, what goes around comes around, so I'm sending you out love and light and blessings. Thanks for watching.